Okay guys, it's Alex here. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the like. It helps us out, so that's fantastic. So what have we got on this week, guys? We have been doing sorting out some of the rough load of firewood, kindling, and producing wood chip out of the dust, sort of smaller pieces, and then we're going to bag up all the big bits. So we had 2 loads come in. This has now been graded through our wood chip grader, which is just behind us there, and it produces nice kindling. So then we can take these pieces and bag them up, and it's all hardwood kindling, and we sell those out for people. Last year we sold about 300 bags of it, so we're just getting on with that. Then when it's been through the grader, this is what we're left with, which is wood chip. We're actually classifying this as a whole tree, but it's actually pretty nice stuff, really. It's a little bit dustier as you get into it, but you know, there you go. Quite a nice product, that actually. Bone dry, because it's all stuff that's been through the kiln, and then we've graded it out, it's about 20% moisture, so that's a good, nice load. And then we're left with a little bit of sort of intermediate product, which isn't long enough to go into the bags for kindling. It isn't long enough to go into the into our wood chip pile, and this is it here. I mean, it's just coming out a little bit too long. It's probably more like a G100 or something. So that we're going to just stack up here, and then we will be producing wood chip from that. So yeah, that's all right. Unfortunately, the start screener is down. Dave is just having to mend that. One of the cogs has bust, so we'll take a look at that in a second. And we've got a log changeover, so we've got Richie on the macro, and he's bringing all the cages up from the kiln, so we'll do a log change today. Okay, so once we've done the kindling, we're putting them into these size of sacks. So there's a bag. It's a pretty good size. All hardwood, which is good. And then we can deliver these out to garden centres. That's what the plan is. And we're also doing bags of logs, which we can sell out to the garden centres too. So hopefully that'll just generate another little income stream for us, which will be nice. Shed's looking. There's all the dried hardwood. We haven't got much wet wood in the shed. About half of this will go on the kiln change this time. So yeah, onwards and upwards. So our new kiln is working very well with this new drying unit here. So I'll just show you how that operates. So I've got 2 controls here. At the moment I'm running it on revs per minute, which is 600 revs per minute. But I can actually have that go up to 1200. And on this box here, I'm running it in hand. I can switch to auto. When I switch to auto, it will send back. I can decide what level or temperature I want the water sending back to. At the moment it's being sent back at 65, but for argument's sake I can send it back at 60. So we'll just, we can easily flip that over. That's now auto. The revs are going up here. Up to 1500 there, and the return water should start to go down. It's starting to drop now. 64.5, coming back, 64 now. Etc. So that works quite well. I'm going to switch it back to hand now, and those revs are starting to drop back down again. That will then go back to 600. So yeah, very happy that that's working so well actually for drying our logs. We're getting a nice high temperature in there, and as I said, 51 degrees, which is about 10 degrees higher than with our previous dryer, so really nice to see. Here we are back at the star screener with all the cogs. This is the one that's come off. It broke off this little tooth that you can see just there. So got to put the chain back on, put it back into position there, and then we're good to go again. So yeah, we'll get that back working again. So yeah, shouldn't be too hard. So they're all the dry logs that come out of the kiln. We'll have to sort of try and screen these through because there's a bit of dust in it, so then they can be in the clean side and we're just ready to bag when we need it. And there's our wet wood that we're just piling into. We've still got a fair amount to go at this. We've probably got about 25 cubes in there or so. There's probably about 50 cubes to go there, so that will fit our drying bin all right. The 2 bins outside when we next load up. Okay guys, so we've just got the chipper going. We've had quite a few bits and pieces taken down around the estate. So we're just starting to put some more chip through, working it. And we've got about 75 tons of nice pine that's come in that we're going to chip as well. So we'll go up and take a look. We're just starting to chip the pine here. Chip. All good stuff. So here's our stack, softwoods in front, which we're going to be picking up. We've got the hardwood behind. It's just come in, so sticking it through the machine now. A little bit different legs, some of them are going to be a bit big for our machine, but we'll try and get as much through as we can. on the chip pile, guys. Got a big log in it now, so I keep slowing it up. Still making good chip. We're also bagging up some oak. To put into the kiln now. Off. So, a couple of months ago we took down some trees which are here, and we're now back just to clear up the logs because they can go through the chipper. So we just cut a little bit of a hole out the fence there, which we'll reinstate later. Dave is just on the digger, and we'll go and get the case and the dump trailer and put everything into there, save the wood, chip it up, and go from there. There's some sizable lumps, so there's a bit of a rise there, Dave. There's a, yeah, it looks like there's a stump, isn't it? Goes. Well done. That was a nice little tree, Dave. Meantime, we're stacking up the firewood in the shed. This was the last load that came out the kiln. It's quite dirty, so we're just brushing it up now to get the fines out of it, stack it back into the corner. And then we've got a little bit of blend of alder that we can put in. Starts to get a little bit dirtier. There we go. Meantime, we've got another lorry in, delivering more of the shards. So that's all got to be screened out and turned back into chip again. So we'll have a look once he's done that. So I've just come back for the second load now. Mainly brash, but we'll get something out of it. Okay guys, there's all the chip that we did yesterday. We've taken a little load out. That was the screened hole tree that came out. That's gone back in the lorry. We had another lorry load brought in of this material. So we're going to run that through the grader. And then we'll get more of these economy bags. So that's all good there. Anyway guys, hope you all enjoyed that vid. It's been a busy old week here, just doing wood it seems like, and yeah, hopefully next week we'll be putting our boiler in, so I'll try and take some videos of that and we'll see how we go. Thanks now.